You can use the same eSIM if the eSIM has available top-up data package options. You still have it installed on your device. You plan to use it in the supported country. To check if your eSIM has available top-up data package options, please go to 1. My eSIMs. 2. Locate your eSIM and tap on Details. 3. Scroll down to Buy Top-Up Packages. If you'll be revisiting this destination in the future, you can leave your eSIM in your device and simply turn it off under Cellular Data Plans while not in use, and continue to top up when necessary. For more information, please check out this video. If there are no available top-up options for your eSIM, it means that your eSIM is not rechargeable and is meant for only one use. In this case, you can proceed to remove the eSIM from your device if the data package has been used up or expired. You cannot use the same eSIM if there are no available top-up options, you have deleted the eSIM from your device, you are going to a destination different than the supported country or region, there has been a network provider change communicated to you via email. In this situation, a period of 30 days from the time of the email notification will be given to the user to finish the data pack, as the eSIM will no longer work due to an improvement in service providers. Please note that before purchasing, you should ensure that your eSIM and data packages support the country you are going to. Otherwise, you will not be able to use it. As a quick reference, local eSIMs support one country except for the Czech Republic eSIM, which supports other European locations. All regional and global eSIMs cover multiple countries. If you still have any questions, please contact support@airalo.com.